Hey you guys, so we're back with another video, and today we're gonna go from curly hair to straight hair. Y'all, look at my eye. I was washing my hair and I think so God, I don't know why I wasn't burning, not like I didn't feel anything on my eye, nothing. I don't know why. But I went in the mirror and it's red. I don't know why. But it's okay. So I just washed my hair. You feel me? So basically I'm just doing a curly to straight hair. So I washed my hair and everything. I already did that part. All I gotta do is just blow it out and straighten it. So let's get to it. Let's see how long my hair is. So this is my hair when it is wet and curly and it's long. Don't shrink it yet because it's pretty long. I do have damage, as you can see, like some right here is straight. Yeah, like it's fuzzy back here. Like look at this, like this is damage. Yeah, but this is my hair in its natural state. When it's wet and I pull it, it is long. So period. I am holding the light behind the camera because I don't have a proper setup right now, and I took the light off the tripod, like my stand-up tripod, because I felt like it was better than the light being on it. But whatever. Yeah, this is my hair, curly as ever. I'm gonna come closer. Like, do you guys see how long? Wait, I'm gonna stand up. Like, ugh. My hair is like, it grew, but like I said, I never really straightened my hair. Like, I never put heat to it. I barely touch my hair. I don't wash my hair often. My hair grows on heat. I mean, grows on dirt. So yeah. Let's blow this hair out and then let's straighten it. What's good, y'all? What's poppin'? Okay, y'all, yesterday I started this video. You know, I came with my hair wet and curly, and I was like, all right, I'll be back to go blow up my hair, and my blow dryer blew out. So that's why we're here today. So I was like, I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and just comb it out and straighten it because I was not able to blow my hair out. Child, I'm gonna buy a blow dryer today because that was unacceptable. So I left my hair 2 puffs, as you can see. I'm gonna start with this side. And I think I'm going to section it into 2 pieces, 2 parts. And I also have school today, so I'm not just doing this for fun. I'm actually going somewhere. Then I'm gonna just put a clamp. And this is what I'll be working with right now. Y'all, it would have been so much better if I just blew it out. It's crunchy right now. But we have our flat iron. Like I said, I haven't flat ironed my hair in so long. Like, I did, but like, yeah. Like, I haven't owned a flat iron in so long. Let me say that. So we're gonna open this, and I show you guys this from my try on. I showed you guys this from my Target haul instructions. But anyway, this is how it looks. I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. And I'm just gonna comb this section out. If you put iron it. Do little by little because this is what I combed out. It's dirty. So now that my hair is combed out, I'm going to flat iron. Hey you guys, so I am back done finding my hair. Disclaimer, my ends are jacked up. Okay, this flat iron is the bomb.com. Like, I don't know, I can't even show you because my hair is jacked up, but the flat iron is amazing. Like, the bomb. But this is my hair. It is straight. It's not curly anymore. This is my ends jacked up, honey. It has to be cut, you guys. This is all damaged hair. Some people be like, oh my god, you have long hair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I be like, and it's gotta get, it has to get cut. It has to go. So it won't be long for long. But yes, this is my, I love the comb. This is my straight hair. This is how long my hair is. Let me try to. This is how long my hair is. However, I will cut it. So yes, I will have this hair in a ponytail though, I believe, because it's not healthy enough for me to wear it straight. If I wear it like this and go outside, even though it's nice outside, my hair will poof up. So hence to the start, I was trying to tell you guys, I go to the Dominican, they get your hair done, and your hair is not well trimmed. Yeah, waste your money because the next day it's poofed up. That's why, because you have bad ends. So I will not be wearing my hair out today, but I will record me getting my hair done one of these days by a professional. I will do a part 2 when my hair is healthier, like with nose splittings, to how I straighten my hair, so I can really show y'all like how good this flaring is, because it is good and it did the job, even though it wasn't like. And then plus, I feel like if I blew up my hair, it'd been even better probably. Yeah, no, not even probably, it would. Yeah, so I will do a part 2 to this video because I'm gonna buy a blow dryer today. It'll be perfect. It'll be fine after I blow out my hair, because you're not supposed to wash your hair and let it air dry, then flat iron it, because it's really going from curly to straight. Like, it has to be some type of transition. It has to be some type of maintenance to your hair, so it can be prepared to be straight, if that makes sense. Yeah, but I will do a part 2. I was really feeling to show y'all the length of my hair and how damaged it is, even though people be like, oh my god, your hair is so long, oh my god, how you get it to get like this and all this extra stuff. And I want to flatten my hair on camera, because I haven't flattened my hair since my birthday for my ponytail. So yeah, this is how long it is. And if you could see right here, when I cut my hair by myself, it's short. You see that? I could see, but I can't grab it. Like, where is it? Anyway, I could see. It's just damaged, you guys. But I'm gonna end off here. I'm going to moisturize some more to this side. I mean, this was moisturized last night when I was about to blow my hair out. But I'm just gonna do it again just a little bit. And I have to get ready for school, so okay. It's nice and saturated. Boom. So this is my hair. If you guys enjoyed, yes, hunty. Period. Yes, I love my hair. I use the Tresemme hair shampoo. I use the Tresemme conditioner. I thought I had it here. Yeah. And then I rinse everything out. Make sure you have all the conditioner out of your hair. All of it out. Make sure you blow dry your hair before you straighten it. If you have curly hair, this is a kind of air flat iron double ceramic from Target. Make sure you cop. I will see you guys in the next video. This video will be posted today, so let's get ready for school. I don't even know what time it is. I'm gonna be running late. Let me go. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to update you guys on my hair. So I will be going to class very shortly. This is how I wear my hair to class. Just a slick back, middle part, and some baby hairs that keep curling up. Yeah, so this is my ponytail. Yeah, so it was just like a quick little update. yeah, I'm about to get ready to head out for class because I'm crunch time. It's crunch time. So, bye.